आंध्र प्रदेश के वज़ीर आला चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने विजयवाड़ा में जारी नेशनल क्वांटम वैली वर्कशॉप से खिताब करते हुए टेक्नोलॉजी की बदलती हुई अहमियत पर मुनफर्द और दिलचस्प अंदाज में इजहार ख्याल किया। वज़ीर आला ने कहा कि आज के दौर में इंसान बगैर बीवी या शौहर के तो जी रहा है, लेकिन बगैर मोबाइल फ़ोन के ज़िंदा रहना मुमकिन नहीं रहा। उनका यह जुमला हाज़रीन में मुस्कुराहटें बिखेर गया। उन्होंने इसके ज़रिए डिजिटल दौर में मोबाइल फ़ोन की अहमियत को उजागर किया।
Then I used to talk all these things. Then when I spoke about cell phone, everybody killed me, political opposition. Cell phone can give food or shelter or water, what you are talking, why you are doing all these things, who wants this, like that. Today, after 25 years, wife can live without husband. Husband can live without wife, both cannot live without cell phone.
Amaravati become to Quantum Valley what Silicon Valley became to software, a global symbol of innovation, excellence and aspiration. To be very honest, when the Honorable Chief Minister spoke about this initiative, 99% of the people in the room didn't understand what he was talking. We were all perplexed, puzzled. I'm a Carnegie Mellon undergrad. I worked at the World Bank for 2 years. I'm a Stanford MBA. Even I was quite perplexed and puzzled. So all of us went to ChatGPT and started our research like all of us do here. You know, it's very rare we come across visionary leadership. India is lucky to see the next version of Mr. Naidu, and we're really witnessing history here. When history is created, we really don't understand its impact and the transformation it will have on all of us. And I think we're very fortunate to have a leader like Mr. Naidu to lead from the front and as the